Times when you'll want to open up an assembly and start deleting things that are in there. There's lots of reasons for doing this. It might be an overloaded bill of materials that has extra components in it that you don't need to be included in an order, or it might be just you're going in to do some maintenance on some models and you need to get rid of some things that are just no longer applicable within your process. So to do that, we're actually going to do the delete function here. And this delete function will actually look at the active model, but you can also address things across the whatever's in session in Creo. So if we have multiple designs or assemblies in session that need to get this change, you can also run it across a wildcard matching if you want to. And this also applies to the target models that you're deleting. This can be done either selectively by name or by using wildcards also. So just as a quick example, so if I type in screw.prt for the active assembly here and press the do it button, it will go and delete those components from the design. If you go in and you type something that, let's say, has some child components, so if I try to suppress this, you'll notice that there's two other children associated with that. So I'm going to type in grill.prt. And when I run this, you'll notice that it does, in fact, delete the child components that are associated with that also. Another nice thing you could do with this is I'm going to open this back up. And we're going to just quit window right now. And I'm going to do sstar.prt for any ASM file that's in session currently. So if I run this, you can see just that quickly. If we come in and we pull up the one speaker assembly that was there, it has removed the screws and also the screen that was on here and also the spider that was kind of tucked in here, and also removed any child dependent components within the Creo assembly related to those components also.